So this is EL150. This is a higher end, faster printing elastic material. It's a little harder with the Shore A of 78. It's, again, fast printing, fast rebound. It's a little stiffer than your other material. But again, it's for the same uses, but this is getting more toward where you can use it for footwear, where you get you're starting to get to tear strength that's applicable for a footwear possibility, or again, cushioning pad, anything that you have that you'd like a little stiffer. And again, when it's a little bit more rigid, it gives you, it's a little easier to print. With the EL50, it takes a little different post-processing. You need to either post-cure it underwater or with a little heat in an oven to get the full cure. So that's one extra step that you have to take compared to the other materials, but if this has the properties that you're looking for, it's worth it.